What's the meaning of confection? Confection. Confection.
Confection. Confection. The word confection refers to a sweet food or candy, often used as a dessert or snack. It can also refer to the process of making such food or the place where it is sold. Confections come in many different forms and flavors, including chocolates, caramels, hard candies, and gummies. These treats are often enjoyed during special occasions or as a way to indulge in a sweet treat. In short, a confection is a type of delicious sweet food that is enjoyed by people all around the world.